how to change the home screen mode from either the drawer mode or standard mode. This is for Realme phone. The best way to go about doing this is long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this, and you'll see home screen settings right there. A single tap will take you here and you will see home screen mode right here. Once you go into it, you will either see the drawer mode, which will have the apps on the home screen, and apps in a swipe up drawer. The standard mode will basically have all the apps on home screen, but no swipe up app drawer. So it's up to you to change it to any one of these that you prefer. And let me just show you the one with the app drawer is basically what I have on, which is swiping up like this, giving you this access here. And of course, the other one is all the apps on the home screen with no swipe up drawer. You won't get this here if you choose the standard mode, all right? And that's basically it for this guide here. You can change it at any given time for your Realme phone. Like and sub, check out my other tutorials. And of course, as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.